Okay. Sa next problem tayo. Ito. Sa 5.38. For a gas sample, total pressure is 742. That is total pressure. What are the partial pressures? So your question is partial pressures. If the gas present consists of 1.3 mole of N2, 0.33. Ibig sabihin partial pressure ng N2, partial pressure ng O2, at saka partial pressure ng argon yung ibig sabihin niya. So tatlo yung pinapa-answeran dyan. So again, what is partial pressure? Kung mahihiwa-hiwalay mo yung pressure ng gas, kung marami silang mixture niya dyan, pag mahiwa-hiwalay mo yung mga pressure dyan, tinatawag yan na partial pressure. From the name itself. Okay? So meaning, to answer this one, simple lang to, nasa discussion to eh. Sasabihin mo lang, so if you want to have the partial pressure of, let's say, N2, maliit na P yung nilalagay natin, PN2, ganyan, is equal yan to mole fraction, N all over NT, tapos, total pressure. Parang ratio yan ng partial pressure over total pressure is equal to number of moles ratio. Parang ganito yung sense niyan eh. Partial pressure all over total pressure is equal to number of moles over number of moles total. So parang isa rin siya sa gas law, pero wala namang nag-formulate dito. Makikita mo lang yung relationship. Okay? So if you substitute it, 1.3 yung N2. So sasabihin mo lang, yung partial pressure ng N2 would be equal to, ilan yung N2? 1.3. So 1.3 mole. Tapos, yung total pressure, of course, ika-plus mo lang sila. 1.3, 0.33, 0.33 plus 0.061. Yun yata eh. 0.061. So, ito na yung total na mga kuwan. So, that is mole. So, mole, this is N2 all over mole ng total mix or ng solution mix. Yan, mix. Tapos, total pressure would be from 740 Torricelli. So, that is also millimeter Hg. So, by that, I could have 1.3 all over 1.3 plus 0.33 plus 0.061 and then multiply it by 740. And the answer would be 569. Okay? So, in three significant figures. 569 Torricelli. Pag gusto mo naman yung, diretsuhin ko na, kung gusto mo naman yung O2 at saka argon, so papalitan ko lang itong banda dito. Ito dito, tapos para sa argon, 0.061 nilalagay ko sa taas. Okay, so papalitan ko lang. So papalitan ko lang ng 0.33 and that will give me 144 tour. Tapos papalitan ko lang sa taas balik ng 0.061. That will give me 26.7 tour. Actually, kung i-total mo sila, 569 plus 144 plus 26.7, yan pa rin yung 740 tour. Parang nag-chug down siya dito ng 27. 27 mo yan. 144 plus 569 plus 67. 27. Diba? Parang ito renowned off so 27. So 740 tour which is the total pressure. So yun yung ibig sabihin ng partial pressure. Pag mahiwa-hiwalay mo yung mga pressure, tinatawag. But again, hindi yan napapaghiwa-hiwalay. But kung kaya, meron tayong mga process sa engineering. Diba kung lalo na pag makatrabaho kayo ng mga gases company, baka mag-process kayo ng gas dun, kaya yun may walay. May mga equipment lang. Okay? Na ginagamit tulad ng mga paghiwalay sa kanila sa density kasi iba-iba pa rin yung density nila. So, by rotary, parang sa washing machine. Diba? Sa dryer. Kaya na bibilad yung dryer kasi yung tubig niya is mabigat kaysa sa damit. But anyway, yung tubig niya is liquid. Parang ganon. Ibig sabihin, mas nahiwalay dahil sa property. Yun iba. Yung density usually yung difference. But anyway, thank you guys for listening.